Hi, everyone. So it's been about 1 year since I've kind of connected with you and kind of talked about my hair and where I'm at and what's going on. And so I thought that it would be a good time just for me to do kind of a little bit of a hair update and a life update just to kind of connect with you guys. So I hope that you're doing well. I hope that life's treating you well. For me, as far as hair is concerned, hopefully you can see I've gotten some more length since the last time we saw each other. If I stretch my hair a little bit longer, I'm beyond armpit length, which I think is probably where my hair was last time. So I'm approaching there as far as my longer locks. The size of my locks are still the shorter part, so they're about a little bit past or a little bit at armpit length now. And so my hair is just in a simple braid out where when I wash my hair, I have it in braids, and I use the Wrap-A-Lock kind of rolling tool to curl the end. So if you want to know more about how I do a braid out, I don't believe I've shared how I actually create this look and these kind of this stretch kind of curly wavy look. So if you want to know more about how I do this to my hair, please leave a comment down below and I can see about creating a little tutorial so you can see how I create this look on my locks. But at the time of this video, I am in the 5th year of having sister locks. Still enjoying the journey. No major complaints or issues to speak of. One of the things I've been considering is cutting my locks a little bit shorter. So that way it just has a little bit more of a different look. But I'm still just exploring that. So I haven't settled on that. I've been enjoying the different styles I'm able to do now that my hair is longer. So top knots are easier to do, ponytails are easy to do, looks like this are easy to do. So I'm really enjoying the versatility of having more length to my locks. But honestly, I've enjoyed each length and each phase of the journey. If you followed me, you know, early in my journey, I had a couple little struggles with some hair loss, but just checking in with my primary care physician, I had a vitamin deficiency. We fixed that. And so hair loss hasn't been that kind of an issue that it was earlier in my journey. So for the most part, I really have exceeded my length goals at this point because I wanted to get to armpit length and now I've surpassed that. So overall, really very very happy with where my hair is at. In my journey, I found that when I got to the 4 year mark is when my hair really became like it came to look and behave, if you will, more like the sister locks that I was admiring from afar when I first was thinking about starting this journey. So, for those of you who are on the journey, I share that information with you because your hair may be in a different phase than mine. And you're like, when is my hair going to look a little bit more like Lakeisha's looks, right? And so, if you're waiting to get to this phase, just know it'll get there. You know, the whole trust the process motto is true in life and with sister locks as well. So if you're early in the journey or kind of in the middle, just know as you go along in your journey, as you learn more about how to take care of your locks, right, and cultivate them, you really will see your locks transform and become what you really wanted them to be. From a product perspective, I keep my products really limited and minimal intentionally. For those who may not know my journey, you know, I was a loose natural for 9 years before transitioning to sister locks. So, like many of you that may have loose natural hair or used to have loose natural hair, you know, you use a lot of products. There's shampoo, there's conditioner, there's deep conditioner, there's leave-in conditioners, there's stylers, there's oils, there's butters, right? And it was fun and I loved it. But with locks, I have found in order for them to be their best, you have to keep all your products to a minimum. One, because it's healthier for your locks, and two, you'll find that your hair really doesn't need all of those products like curly hair does. So here's what I'm using now. So first for moisture, I'm using this Crown Elements Moisture Infusion product. I believe I have done a review on this, but I will leave in the description box the 2 videos I have recorded that focused on conditioning and moisturizing my locks. So here's a product that I like to use by Crown Elements. And Crown Elements is a line that was created by a loctician named Jocelyn Renee. And all the products I'm going to show you are from her line. So I'll try to leave a link in the description box as well to her website. So if you want to learn more about her products or purchase these products from her website, you can do that. So Crown Elements Moisture Infusion, this is great for just general moisture when your locks are feeling dry. I normally don't do this more than once a week. And even that might be too often. So I really try to go with how my locks feel and let that determine if I need this product. So this is a great just general moisture product for your locks. For conditioning, when I had loose natural hair, I used the creamy conditioners. Well, I know there's a little bit of different points of thought regarding the creamy conditioner on locks. I don't like to use it because I don't want the buildup that I can't get out of the locks. So I do like Crown Elements has these herbal hair treatments, and they come in little satchels that look like this. And you basically brew this like you would tea, but it's not drinkable, so don't drink this. But you would brew it like you would tea, let it cool all the way down, and then you can apply it to your locks on wash day. So I believe I have already done a video about this product as well. So again, look in the description box for my review of this product. A new product that I've used from Crown Elements that I have not done a video on is the Crown Elements shampoo. And I use the Just Clean shampoo, which is the clarifying shampoo. I haven't done a review, but if you want to learn more about this product and what I really think about it, leave a comment below and I'll be glad to share my thoughts and kind of what I think is best regarding this product. But long story short, these are really the three products that I'm using, on my hair to maintain my locks. So really, really pleased with my lock journey so far and don't have any regrets. I love it and I'm glad that I took this journey on and I'm in a Sister Lock, part of the Sister Lock community. As far as a life update for me and kind of the reason why I've been a little bit less consistent with recording and nothing bad, thankfully, it's all good stuff, but it's just been a really full schedule. I don't know about you all, but ever since we really came out of the pandemic and life has kind of sped up again, it has really sped up. And so I had to unfortunately take a little break from recording just to make sure I'm supporting my family and professional responsibilities as well. One personal goal that I'm working on right now that's also taking up some of my extra time is I'm back in graduate school again. I'm earning a doctorate in education. So outside of doing this, I have a professional life in higher ed. I've been an educator for almost 20 years now. And I'm finally earning my graduate degree in my field of education. So when I'm not working and not supporting family and being with family and not serving in church, because my husband and I are in a couple of voluntary leadership roles in our local church, I'm studying and reading and writing in conjunction with my doctorate program. So I really, really appreciate your patience with me as I've just been managing life and all the things. But please know that I have missed connecting with you. I have thought about you all saying, man, I got to get back on and make a video. So I hope that this update, has just been helpful. I hope that your lock journey is going well. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And again, if you want to see me do a video on this product, let me know in the comments as well. So I hope to connect with you all really soon, and I hope that you take care. Bye-bye.